Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Agile CRM to ActiveCampaign. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to other systems. For example, in ActiveCampaign you can create new contacts, conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Then you need to select the Agile CRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. At this stage, you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the domain, login and API key. To get this data, go to your personal Agile CRM account. We copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. Next, specify the Agile CRM user login. Now you need to specify the API key in order to get it. We return to the Agile CRM personal account. Next, go to Admin Settings. Now go to the Developers API tab. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Agile CRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now, you see data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Agile CRM data source. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select ActiveCampaign as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Add/update contact. At this stage, you need to connect your ActiveCampaign account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the API domain and API key. To get this data, go to your ActiveCampaign account. Then go to Account Settings. To the Developers section. Copy the URL and key and paste them into the appropriate fields in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, you need to select a list in which contacts will be created for each new Agile CRM contact. You now see the ActiveCampaign fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from Agile CRM to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to ActiveCampaign as new contacts on a new contact from Agile CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to ActiveCampaign. After successful submission, go to ActiveCampaign and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the configuration of ActiveCampaign data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.